Because now we can have one bedroom, two
So
people
this is
staying at
the
a time.
king's bedroom.
Pinili natin yan mo, 400. 400.
Yung tinapay natin?
Yan, 400.
Yan o, kape namin. Wala, cappuccino. Yan yung
King's
tinapay
bedroom.
natin, oh, 399 na
Yung kanina sa kabila, queen's bedroom.
Eh, binayaran ni JP 399.
Yun dun. Yun ang queen's bedroom. Ngayon ito ang king's bedroom.
Kings daw to. Mahal kay Kuya JP.
King's bedroom. Very nice. Grabe. Look. Anong klaseng... Is this all gold?
King's bedroom.
King's bedroom.
Yeah, king's bedroom.
Susulitin daw.
This is all king's. Where is the bathroom?
Nag-survey ka no
Sige naman
JP.
nung po, video.
Binago na nila.
Yeah.
Dati yung
Bathroom. We're looking for the
May
bathroom.
remote yan, iikot.
Oo.
Tapos may TV.
May TV. Tama nga nakita ko.
I'm going to bathroom.
Ano?
King's bathroom, ha? There you go. Mas maganda ang king's bathroom, ha? Mhm. Naku-comment naman na yun. Oh. Almost the same, pero maganda ngayon ang king's. Meron din sila washroom, almost the same design. Oh, maganda na all gold. All gold. It's the bathroom. It's all gold. Okay. Punta na ako doon. Okay? See for my next video.